Hey there and welcome to another video. Today we will unbox the Asus TUF gaming graphic card. It is a GPU with 12GB GDDR6 VRAM and it is a overclocked edition. Like several other RTXs that are made today, it has ray tracing and DLSS. The RTX 3060, it is a new acquisition from my side, and I purchased it mostly not because of its performance, but because this one can be used and could be also a future proof gaming. And I say this because the 12GB VRAM, it is higher than even 3070 or 3080 Ti. So let's unbox it. Out of all the graphic cards, I really love the design of the Asus. From here, here we go. It says here collezione di carta, so you can collect the paper, probably. Collezione means collection, or more likely to accumulate paper. Carta means actually cartons, so yeah, it's written in Italian, not sure why. Maybe it's made in Italy. So this one, as you can see, it has the 3 fans. Yeah, 3 fans radiator. It has probably also cooling pads on the VRAM, but it doesn't say over here. This is how the radiator looks like. So you can pause to check out the key features here. I estimate that it doesn't have a CD like most of the newer graphic cards, but you can also download the GPU Tweak 3. This is Tweak 2, but the newest version, Tweak 3, it's much better than this one. There's also 3 years limited warranty. We can turn it like this. Oh yes, Asus in search of incredible. It's a really huge graphic card. Yeah, so when it comes to mining, for example, it is very important to keep the graphic card very cool because it will run at maximum capacity all the time, every day, for a long period of time, until probably you cannot mine with it anymore and it's not profitable. This graphic card also has a lower power consumption than its higher tier rate. Yeah, as I said, there is nothing here except a guide and what is this? TUF Gaming. Cute. A warranty card, a certificate of reliability. Yeah, because the TUF Gaming, it's a better version. It's tough with the specific commas. Thank you for purchasing Asus graphic card. That's it. Yeah, so nothing special. Unlike other in previous years that you can have extra stuff in the box, these days you cannot find easier other. Oh, wow, the shrug, it's, you can see here it's occupy more than 2 slots. Sheesh. That's wow. Yeah. So if you want to put another graphic card close to it, for example, there are some motherboards that they have the PCI Express lanes relatively close to each other. This one will not make space for a second GPU. So yeah, either you have another one X slot of PCI lane and a bigger one like this, so it must have at least a little gap between them. So yeah, it's interesting. This graphic card has an RGB and all the Asus graphic cards have a pretty good cooling system, because I think it's mostly because of the design of the blades that can also have low noise. Yeah. Quite difficult to take this one out. Proves the quality of the graphic card. High quality. Nice. Okay, so let's look at it. As I said, this blade, you see it's continuing here over here, so it makes a perfect flow into the radiator, and yeah, it feels quite strong, the blade. So on this side it has 1, 2, 3 display ports and 2 HDMIs. Right? On the bottom Oh, we can take something here. We will take it later out. So on the bottom had the protection. Can I focus it? Not really. Not sure why it's not working right now, the focus. But anyway, let's put this one back. Yeah, so this is how it looks like the radiator inside the graphic card. The PCB is quite long though, but I think until over here, let's turn it like this. Until over here it has, oh, this is the back plate actually. Yeah, it's a metal backplate, I think. Yep, it looks like metal. Yeah, definitely metal. Wow, really cool design. Let's take this one off after all. This is the top. The 3060s consume less energy, therefore you do not actually need a 3-slot fan, but if you have it in a computer with other graphic cards, then this one it's a perfect solution. This is the other side. Very nice, cool looking card. Here it's for the fan. Let's take this one off after all. Yes. So this is how it looks like. Let me put it like this, for example. And it's also very tall, so if you have a case that has limited space, when you put it like this, let's say, if it has a limited space, you will not have enough space, you know, and it might touch the graphic card here. But most of the cases have at least, how much is here, like 1.5 centimeters, so probably they have at least 2 centimeters gap here. So if you put the front panel, or the lateral panel, it will have 2-3 centimeters space to suck the air or expel the air, because this the air will come from the bottom and it will expel it from here and here, from everywhere, because it has a very good cooling system. So from the bottom, from the top, from the back, and on the sides here and here. Yeah, very nice. Can't wait to test it out. In the next video we will check out how this RTX 3060 is working in conjunction or with another graphic card. in the computer, and we will mine a little bit with it. We will check how the distributed VRAM is between this graphic card, and probably I will try out a GT 1030 and make also a video about it. Yeah, so this is it, guys. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the channel and stay tuned for part 2, when we will do all the mining tests and everything that is necessary. Even sound test. Yeah, I think we can do a sound test with it. Yeah. Alright. So take care, guys. Bye.